Finish?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, şimdi böleceğim.
Touch it, feel it. Feel it how soft it is, you know. It should be that soft layers, five. So each time,
Yapıyor.
and it makes you crunchy, you know, as well.
Yapış.
And it's not gonna be sticky. Finaller başlıyor. Ben çekiyor muyum? Look, she's gonna do it again. By side, left
Not
to the right.
press.
Not too much pressing, you know. Very gentle way. Don't worry, those starch will come out. So if you think about this 5 layers, gonna be look like one. That's the whole idea. This is her signature, yeah.
Okay.
This is a lot of ones.
Atınca iyi geliyor.
And then again half. You try to always start from the edges, okay? It's very important. And then you go to the inside, every corner. Literally, this baklava is gonna sucking this all the butter. So the final part, the baklava must be hot.
Ya.
We never fight. We say it's sweet, talk sweet.
Ama
No bullshit, okay?
Very,
Japanese.
yeah, very.
Itadakimasu.